Since its launch on April 24, 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope has served as humanity's most powerful and transformative tool for exploring the universe. Suspended high above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble captures stunning images and collects invaluable data that have profoundly changed our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. This magnificent observatory has not only revealed the intricate beauty of space, but has also opened our eyes to phenomena that were once thought to be unreachable, challenging our perceptions and expanding our horizons. Developed through a groundbreaking collaboration between NASA and the European Space Agency, Hubble was launched aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery in a mission filled with anticipation and hope. This strategic placement in low Earth orbit, approximately 547 kilometers above the surface, enables Hubble to avoid the atmospheric distortions that plague ground-based telescopes, achieving unprecedented clarity and detail in its observations of distant celestial objects. The thrill of Hubble's launch resonated worldwide as millions tuned in to witness the dawn of a new era in astronomical exploration, embodying a triumph of science and engineering. Hubble's primary mirror measures an impressive 2.4 meters across, crafted with extreme precision to gather light from the faintest objects in the universe. This mirror is paired with sophisticated instruments, including the Wide Field Camera 3, the Cosmic Origin Spectrograph, and the Advanced Camera for Surveys, which are capable of capturing light across a wide range of wavelengths, visible, ultraviolet, and near-infrared. This remarkable versatility empowers Hubble to explore a myriad of astronomical phenomena, from the birth of stars in dense nebulae to the intricate interactions of galaxies billions of light-years away. Each observation not only contributes to our knowledge, but also serves as a testament to the intricate design and engineering that makes such exploration possible. Among Hubble's most iconic images is the Pillars of Creation, captured in the Eagle Nebula. This breathtaking photograph showcases towering columns of gas and dust, where new stars are being birthed amidst a colorful backdrop of ionized gas. The pillars themselves are vast, stretching light years across, and this image not only highlights the beauty of stellar formation, but also provides crucial insights into the processes that shape the universe. Meanwhile, the Hubble Deep Field presents an astonishing glimpse into the universe's distant past, revealing thousands of galaxies in a mere slice of the sky, many of which formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. This groundbreaking image has profoundly impacted our understanding of cosmic evolution, demonstrating that the universe is rich with galaxies at varying stages of development and pushing us to question how galaxies form and evolve over time. Hubble has played a pivotal role in advancing our understanding of the universe's expansion. By observing distant Type Ia supernovae, explosive events that occur in binary star systems, scientists have been able to measure their brightness and distance with remarkable accuracy. These observations led to a groundbreaking conclusion. The universe is not only expanding, but doing so at an accelerating rate. This revelation introduced the concept of dark energy, a mysterious force that constitutes nearly 70% of the universe, reshaping our understanding of cosmic dynamics and the ultimate fate of the universe. The implications of this discovery reverberate through modern physics, challenging scientists to rethink fundamental concepts of gravity, energy, and the very structure of space-time. The telescope has made significant contributions to multiple fields of astronomy. For instance, Hubble's observations of the center of our galaxy have revealed the presence of a supermassive black hole, known as Sagittarius A. This discovery provided critical evidence supporting theories of black hole formation and evolution, and it has profound implications for our understanding of galaxy dynamics and the formation of cosmic structures. Moreover, Hubble has greatly enhanced our understanding of galaxy formation and evolution, capturing the intricate processes of galaxy collisions and mergers that shape the universe over billions of years. These observations help astronomers trace the history of galaxies and understand the fundamental forces at play in the cosmos, creating a dynamic narrative of the universe's evolution. To ensure its continued success, Hubble has undergone 5 servicing missions by astronauts, each representing a remarkable feat of engineering and collaboration. The first, STS-61 in 1993, involved the installation of corrective optics to fix a spherical aberration that had initially compromised Hubble's imaging capabilities. This mission marked a turning point, allowing Hubble to realize its full potential as a groundbreaking observatory. Subsequent missions, including STS-125 in 2009, involved complex procedures that required precision and expertise to upgrade instruments and repair components. Each mission not only extended Hubble's operational life, but also enhanced its observational power, showcasing the dedication of the astronauts and engineers who made it possible. These efforts exemplify humanity's commitment to exploration and scientific inquiry, as well as the collaborative spirit that drives us to push the boundaries of what we know. As we look to the future, Hubble will continue to work in tandem with its successor, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. Set to observe the universe in the infrared spectrum, JWST will allow astronomers to peer deeper into the cosmos, enabling the study of phenomena that Hubble cannot reach. From investigating the formation of stars and galaxies to analyzing the atmospheric composition of exoplanets, JWST is poised to make groundbreaking discoveries that will further our understanding of the universe. Together, Hubble and JWST represent a new era in our quest for knowledge, pushing the frontiers of our understanding of the cosmos and the fundamental laws that govern it. The data collected by Hubble has been instrumental in over 15,000 scientific papers, making it one of the most productive scientific instruments ever built. Its findings have reshaped our understanding of cosmic phenomena, revealing intricate details of the universe that were once beyond our reach, and inspiring countless new avenues of research. Each observation adds another piece to the puzzle of understanding the cosmos, leading to breakthroughs that can change the trajectory of scientific thought and challenge our preconceived notions about the universe. Discoveries made by Hubble have not only advanced our scientific understanding, but have also ignited public interest in astronomy and space exploration. Its breathtaking images serve as a reminder of the beauty and complexity of the cosmos, fostering a sense of wonder and curiosity that compels us to keep looking up. The stories behind these images often resonate deeply, connecting us to the broader narrative of humanity's quest to understand our origins and our place in the universe. Scientists, educators, and enthusiasts alike share in the excitement that Hubble has generated, inspiring a new generation of astronomers and scientists who will continue the exploration of the cosmos. The Hubble Space Telescope has truly opened a window to the universe, revealing the grandeur of space and expanding our horizons. As we continue our exploration, Hubble's legacy will inspire generations to come, reminding us of the beauty and mystery that lie beyond our planet. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, Hubble stands as a beacon of discovery, a testament to human ingenuity, curiosity, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It embodies the spirit of exploration and the quest for understanding, urging us to dream big and reach for the stars.